Hello friends, welcome to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MAINGEAR's new Revolt series small form factor ITX gaming PC. So friend, it is based on ultra popular Revolt 3 ITX case from height. This small form factor gaming PC is a set a new standard for space concentrated species and an integrated handle that makes taking esports level performance on the go a breeze. And friend, these PCs make no compromise that when it makes to performance and come in a broad range of enthusiasts inspired performance tires with GPU options ranging from the new GeForce RTX 4060 to incredibly powerful 4090 13th generation Intel Core i5 13400F to i9 13900K processor efficient and cooling and more. And Freddy's starting price is $1,499 and is the perfect solution for gamers who demand high performance gaming in a compact and portable package without sacrificing style, performance or bragging rights. And key design features of the Revolt series include integrated handle, pop-out accessory holders, tool-less side panels, downward-facing motherboard, bottom front case, and separated airflow channels. So friend, the bottom front case I offers a cleaner desk setup and superior cable management. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.